Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, Real Talk with a Realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady. And curb appeal is the talk of the day. And I know you guys are tired of hearing curb appeal, but gosh darn it, it's important. Why is it important? Because it's the first thing that people are usually going to see, especially when you take good listing photos. You're going to have a really great picture of the front of the house. And what can you do to enhance that? Well, plants or flowers really make like a great touch, especially like spring. You can have like a pop of yellows and pinks and all these different colors. It just adds so much to the property. Flower pots. If you can't do the flower boxes, I know they can get expensive. Like a huge flower pot that comes off the ground, you know, you could put a plant in there. You could take it with you for your next property or leave it for the new buyer. Those are always great. Outdoor seating, which is always cool. One of my clients had a little table with 2 chairs with flower pots around them. Looks super amazing. If you can't do that, maybe just a bench. Those are always nice. Super cool. And color is so important. If your door is raggedy, maybe you can change it or at least paint it. And colors that pop, I'm sure you've been seeing like a lot of blue, red, even had like a green, anything to bring attention to your home and make it appear in the best light is going to grab people's attention and want to make them open the door to come in. So that pretty much sums up curb appeal, guys. Remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Make it a great day.